Hello everybody, this is Ria with Posh Plum Plans, and today I have an unboxing for you from Cities Away. So I don't know about you guys, but during the quarantine I have picked up a lot of new hobbies, and I have been binge watching videos on YouTube about pen pals. Now these letters are amazingly artistic, most of them. They don't have to be, but it just really caught my attention and I wanted to get into doing pen pals. So I found this company called Cities Away, and they will set you up with a pen pal along with a subscription box. So this is how it works. You get paired. Their team will pair you with, it says, the most exciting individuals they can find based on information that you give them in a pen pal survey. And then you receive your monthly box. So every month they send a completely different box. It's got all kinds of stuff in there, every kind of stationery thing that you would need to write a pen pal letter. And then you just write your letter. You go back and forth with your pen pal. You can use the things that you get from Cities Away. But I thought that was such a cool concept, I had to get my hands on a box. So first thing I'm pulling out of here is the washi tape. Now I absolutely love the color combination of yellow and purple together. Yellow is my mom's favorite color. Purple is my favorite color. So I'll be honest, a lot of times for Mother's Day, my mom will get a purple and yellow bouquet just to kind of symbolize, you know, her and myself together. And so when I saw these two colors from the Cities Away box, it just instantly made me think, oh, me and Mom, Mother's Day, that kind of thing. And I like the yellow, I like the purple, and I really like the little, I think this is probably a 3mm, the leaves together, which are so cute. There's no yellow in this washi tape, but there is some purple in it, and I love the three colors together. So I know I'm going to be sending this to my pen pal, so I just real quick wanted to make a washi card, or a sample card. And then right here, I'm going to show you what the tapes look like in a bullet journal if you're interested in seeing what their transparency is. So obviously the yellow is more transparent than the other ones, but I also wanted to test this over my pen. So I have a mono drawing pen. This is the size 3, and yellow of course is the best. You can almost not even see what the font or what the writing is behind that leaf pattern. But that's what their washi tapes are like. So here is a little referral card that you can actually send to your pen pal if you are interested in having them sign up for Cities Away. So that little card is in there. And then every month you get a pen. I'm not sure if this was a special month because there were 2 pens in here, but you usually get a pen, and I really love these. These are 2 really cool pens. The craft paper, of course, being like a bullet journalist and a stationery person, of course I really like craft paper. And then this Van Gogh design is so beautiful. So the Van Gogh pen is a needle point, and I tested both of these pens. They are both black ink pens. The Van Gogh, like I said, is needlepoint, and the craft pen is a bigger nib. It's probably closer to like a 0.7. I kind of tested it next to my Inkjoys, and it looked pretty similar in weight, so I would say that's a 0.7. They are both black gel ink, and you can untwist both of them, open both of them, and replace. So if you don't happen to like the ink that it comes with, you can always replace with a different one. So when I used these pens initially, I can tell you they were just a little bit scratchy upon first use, which is totally normal, but as I continued to use the pens, they did get a lot more smooth. So I liked those pens. I thought they were really cool. This next green envelope is full, absolutely full of stickers, and I love the way that they do this. They didn't seal the envelope, so you can actually use the packaging in a pen pal letter. So you can use this to write to your next pen pal, and I love that they do that with some of their packaging. You'll see some other packaging later on where you can do that. Make sure you guys are staying tuned to the end of the video because I've got a discount code that you're going to want to get your hands on because one lucky purchaser is going to get a free box to gift to another friend or family member. So more details on that later, but let's get back to these stickers. So I'm not sure if they have a theme every month for these stickers, but what I'm seeing is kind of like a vintage travel theme, if you will. And I think that's kind of what they're going for. I don't know if that's an every month thing you get, you know, like travel or vintage stickers. But yeah, I really like what they had this month. So I'm going to try to spread all these stickers out for you guys so you can get a good idea of what's in here. And I will let you just enjoy the music. So moving on to these full sticker sheets. The first one I've got here is the emojis, and there are several of my favorites in here. I'm pretty excited to use those actually. And then this cute snack attack sheet, which I'll be honest, I'm trying to stay away from like pretty much every food on here. Trying not to go crazy in November. And this is my favorite sticker sheet that they included. All of these are cut like stamps, like postage stamps. They've got that really cute scalloped edging to them, and that vintage travel theme again, so cute. Next, I have probably my favorite thing in this entire box. These are copies of old book pages. Now, I know it's basically a sin to tear apart an old book to use it for a crafting purpose, but I love the way that looks, I'll be honest. And so I was so excited to see that they've got copies in here. One was more of like a poetry kind of book, and the other one was a cookbook. Very vintage, very cool vibes. I cannot wait to use those. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to use all of this stuff for pen paling because my mind is going nuts for bullet journaling as well. So we'll see. This envelope I thought was really cool, not only because it doesn't have a seal, but just the way that it is. Here's another one of those referral cards. And this one too, I like these that don't have the adhesive on there because I just bought a set of wax seals. I have no idea how to use them, but I know they're cool. And so I plan on using those wax seals on these envelopes that don't have adhesive. Next is postcards. Now I've seen a couple pen pals include postcards, either blank or written, filled out. And I thought these were so cool. I'm not sure the artist, but I really like the artwork there. And a couple journal cards here. I'm not sure if these are from the same artist as well, but super cute. You can write a little note on the back. I love those journal cards. And then this stencil kind of threw me for a loop. It looks like, hi Gigi. It looks like maybe some ASL signs, I'm not sure. And then this stencil here is just a bunch of random things. Don't mind Gigi, she just got home from school and her hands are a little dirty. I'm sorry you guys. So this stencil here especially, I love the hot air balloon. I want to do a theme either for a pen pal or a Bujo spread. I'm not sure yet. I really love the hot air balloon, but those are definitely some that I can use. And then this pink paper, again, some packaging that you can use for a million different things. The next thing here are the papers. Now this first one has an express your opinions on here, which I'll show you that a little bit later, but it's kind of like a getting to know you page that you can send to your pen pal, which I thought was really cool. Great idea. And then these papers in here are papers that you can use. Wow, I have to use that one soon. These are papers that you can use to write to your pen pal. I love that mountain theme. Ooh, and palm trees on the back. Florida girl, love that. And this one, I don't know, maybe that's a radar. Beads on the back, very cute. The vintage travel, I like that. Very cool. So those papers are super soft and buttery. They're really, really nice. And then this one is, like I said, kind of a getting to know you thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually send this to a pen pal or if I'm going to just keep it and kind of copy these questions down for a bunch of different pen pals, but I thought they were great. So here's a better look at just the intensity and the vibrancy of the papers that they've got here. The colors are super bright and brilliant. I really, really like what they've done here. And again, the vintage, I love that cactus, that $1 stamp and the November and the flamingos. I mean, super, super cool. Very random. Doesn't seem like there's a theme going on, but very, very cool. Now onto the envelopes. Now these are all adhesive envelopes, I think. But again, with that vintage airmail, I love the red and blue together. It's so, so cool. Now this envelope here is like a thicker weight envelope, like something that you would put maybe a wedding invitation or a birthday invitation in. So that's what that one is. I like that navy color. And then there's two craft envelopes here. I love the seal on this one. I thought it was so cool that it was not just straight across, that it's kind of got that little flare there. And then this craft envelope is just the straight edge for the sealing, which is great. I love the craft envelopes. And then the next one is, again, I think like a vintage travel with the red and blue airmail kind of thing. And that is kind of like just a normal paperweight, whatever a normal like copy paper would be. That's what that is right there. Okay guys, that is it for this box. Gosh, it was way more than I thought it was going to be. And if you want to get your hands on the Cities Away subscription, make sure that you visit their website and use the code STAMPAWAY. It's all one word and it will get you an amazing deal. They've got several different plans that you can go for, but for the 12-month plan, that code STAMPAWAY will save you $72. Amazing deal. So I was stoked that I could get that for you guys. Also, one lucky person who uses my discount code will receive an extra box to give to a friend or family member. So I'm wishing you guys good luck on that one. A little secret I can let you in on is I know the next couple of boxes are going to have extra stationery goodies in them because they've got an abundance of stock. So I'm looking forward to that. Now is the perfect time to get started with Cities Away just because you're going to get a bunch of extras. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining me, and don't forget to check out the details in the description box, including my address if you want to become pen pals. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!